From anywhere I'm there. Circuits glow, the screens alive.
Shaheed's remote.
We keep your tech in drive. Hey, hey. Yeah. When your system's slow, when your files won't load, I connect through the cloud, lighten your code. No need to wait, no need to fear. Just call 323-596-1592. I'm near.
Shaheed's remote computer repair.
Fast, secure, I'm everywhere.
From your desk to your chair.
I fix it quick.
From afar with care.
Viruses vanish.
Speed restored.
Your data safe.
Your peace reborn.
Coffee steaming.
Circuits hum.
Shaheed's remote.
The future's come. Shaheed's remote computer repair.
Fast, reliable.
Beyond compare.
Your tech's heartbeat.
I'll repair.
Call now.
I'm already there.